Welcome back, guys. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how you can make the inside of your truck bed look just as good as this one using the Raptor Liner Inner Bed Liner Spray. We're going to go ahead and jump right in, show you my prep, and then show you spraying this material on here, and then you'll see the final product. Alright, we're in the bed. We got a 40 grit flap disc sander. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get around all the edges, feather them edges in, and now right there, all this interior of the bed is going to be sanded. So, let's get back into it. Okay, as you can see inside the bed, I've sanded with 40 grit all the inside of the bed so that it adheres really well. Also, the truck is fully taped up and masked off. Okay, now we're about to start spraying our Raptor Liner. Now what you're going to need along with your Raptor Liner kit is your gun to shoot the Raptor Liner and a pressure regulator so that you can regulate your pressure at the tip of your gun. Now, we have the Raptor Liner Black. We're going to be using the black just to set our corners to build that up so it has a strong base in that corner. This stuff right here says to apply 1 to 2 coats and allow a 60-minute dry time. So don't just go haywire and go wild with it. You need to go ahead and let that 60-minute dry time in between those coats. Now, with this Raptor Liner here, I'll show you exactly how to mix it. We'll open up our can of Raptor Liner. Open up our hardener reducer. You want to fill it to this line right here. So you get your chemical, you pour it in till you get to that line. Once you got there, you go ahead, put your cap back on there, and shake it up real good. It's not a good idea to shake it up once it's on your gun because there's an air hole inside your gun, and I done learned the hard way. It'll definitely come out of there. Alright, we're going to put our gun on, check our pressure. All right, there it is. So what do you think? Comment, tell me what you think. Did you like the red better or do you like the black better? Either way, that's our Raptor liner video to show you getting the bed prepped up, ready to swap it over to black, and shooting the black Raptor liner, and then putting a black base on top of it to help seal all that in. But that's it for this video. I'll catch you on the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button, and I'll see you next time.